Thank you. This is Tahir Mahmood Khan for the Rights TV, and my topic is right of access to information. Today we are having with the renowned journalist and compare Mr. Ahmad Quraishi. Ahmad, how are you?
Very well.
So what do you think today's event that is about investigating war crimes on Indian occupied Kashmir? What do you say about that?
Today's event is important because so far on Kashmir, we've been fans of lecturing and talking, and this is action. Why? Because this is about doing your homework, and this is about collecting evidence, and this is about engaging the world, and not just simply addressing each other sitting here in Islamabad, but actually this event is just to inform the Pakistani media and Pakistanis that Kashmiri lawyers and international lawyers have come together to submit a petition to the British police for a possible potential arrest in the future of Indian officials who might visit the United Kingdom and who might be, and whose names might be in the lists of human rights violators in Indian occupied Kashmir. So this is a substantive move forward because we are seeing now in Europe a movement on similar cases. For example, recently we've seen two members of two governments in the Middle East, in this region, who were involved in human rights violations and who have been convicted in Sweden and in Germany. And we have also precedents in the past of world leaders who could not travel because their names were mentioned in these kind of cases. So this event is basically it's to show us, the Pakistanis and Pakistani media, that Kashmiri lawyers and international lawyers have come together to prepare this case and submit it to the British police, which has taken this case up, and we heard from those international lawyers who are based in London, who spoke via video link, and they informed us what are the next steps that we might expect as a result of this case. And this is a serious case. This is a major. This is not simply us talking about Kashmir.
Just like, sorry to interrupt you, the case that was the flash story of the CNN and the BBC also, the two women in Afghanistan, they got some sort of, they were some sort of same type of work they were doing. They were missing, and that has taken the shape of an international breaking story.
Exactly.
These stories are not given importance, and they are given importance. How do you give some sort of analytic analysis?
Yes, but we are now getting the importance that we deserve, because where you're standing right now, this story has been covered by Washington Post. This story right now is in the independent newspaper of the UK. It's on Al Jazeera. It's on TRT World. So right now, this story is actually getting international coverage. So when we work right on Kashmir, we get international attention. But when we don't do our homework, when we simply rely on speaking to each other, preaching to the choir, instead of preaching to the world, we preach each other, that's when we don't get results. But right now we are seeing this positive movement. Let's hope that it will lead to something.
And Ahmed, you are so focused on this particular scenario. You might have heard about the Security Council's speech about the Premier. What he said, and the world says that for the very first time, we have known the issue from the grassroots level. And what do you think has that sort of some sort of significance of the our Premier?
Yes. There's no question that Prime Minister Imran Khan probably did the best explanation of Kashmir conflict internationally. There's no question about it.
We're running short of time. Have you got the point?
Thank you.
Thank you, viewers. That was Ahmad Quraishi, renowned journalist, focused person on Kashmir issues. So next time we will be on some next place or another with topic. So Tahir Mahmood signing off. Allah Hafiz.
Let's be in touch. अपना मुझे अपना नंबर भी कर दीजिए.
मैं आपको
ठीक है ना? Let's be in touch. Thank you, sir. Thank you.